Today we're checking out the little Harvey's travel stroller. But this is actually so good, it has become his everyday stroller. Here's why. It is very light, it only weighs about 17 pounds. But at the same time, it is very, very stable. It's also narrow, which means it's easy to bring it with you when you're shopping or on public transportation. The stroller also works on all kinds of terrain. That's because these wheels are surprisingly big and they have great suspension. This means that the stroller will work on any kind of surface. Sally even brought this stroller with her when she and Harvey went to Italy, and they were able to use it on the cobblestone streets. The stroller is quick and easy to collapse and to open. You can even do it one-handed. That's because the entire stroller is in one part. You don't have to break it apart into separate sections before you collapse it. And that means that you can gate check it on the airplane. And with some airlines, you can even bring it aboard as cabin baggage. And that's great because then you have immediate access to the stroller once your flight lands. The maximum weight that the stroller can handle is 55 pounds, and that means that you can use it even when your baby grows. The stroller comes with a decent sized basket underneath, which is great for shopping. One of the best features of this Cybex stroller is the sun canopy. It comes down very far, and it also has a 50 Spf Uv Protection, and that's going to keep little Harvey safe. Another excellent feature is that the seat folds down completely horizontally, so Harvey can actually have a nap in the stroller. But you can also adjust the seat completely vertical. Another great safety feature for Harvey is the 5-point harness, which is built into the stroller. The wheels turn in all directions, which makes it easy to maneuver the Cybex stroller. With this model, you get plenty of color options to choose from, and I think this black one here looks really elegant. There are two accessories that you should definitely consider getting for your Cybex stroller. One is this rain and wind cover, and the other one is this travel pack, which actually converts into a backpack for your stroller. If you are looking for a lightweight travel stroller that is also stable and easy to collapse and open, definitely check out this one from Cybex. Click the link below to learn more about the Cybex stroller and the accessories. And for even more about that rain cover, click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about the rain cover for the Cybex stroller. Thank you very much for watching.